What's up, goodies? In today's video, I headed to Hairitage to get a side part sew-in using Kinky straight bundles. We used 2.5 bundles for this full soft look, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it all came together. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe.
Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I cannot be getting move on. I keep on, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Rapping nice scenes. I know it's gonna make you big. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? And it was on me.